Are you curious about how to make money through crypto mining? Do you want to know how it works and what you need to get started? If so, then you need to watch this video till the end and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Welcome to the Shine Crypto YouTube channel. Today's topic is crypto mining, which is the process of validating transactions and creating new blocks in the blockchain network. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about crypto mining, how it works, and what you need to know to get started. So, let's get started. What is crypto mining? Cryptocurrency mining is the process of using computational power to validate transactions on a blockchain network, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other cryptocurrencies. This process involves solving complex mathematical problems using specialized hardware, such as ASICs, GPUs, or CPUs, to secure the network and create new blocks in the blockchain. The mathematical problems that miners solve are designed to be difficult and time-consuming, requiring significant computing power and energy consumption. This process is known as the proof-of-work (POW) consensus algorithm, which is used by many cryptocurrencies to validate transactions and maintain the integrity of the blockchain network. How crypto mining works? To understand how crypto mining works, you need to understand the blockchain network. The blockchain is a decentralized ledger that records all transactions made in the network. Whenever a transaction is made, it needs to be validated and confirmed by other nodes in the network. This is where miners come in. Miners use specialized software to validate transactions and create new blocks in the network. The software they use is called a mining rig, which is a set of powerful computers that are specifically designed for mining. These rigs are equipped with powerful graphics processing units, GPUs, or application-specific integrated circuits, ASICs, that can solve complex mathematical problems faster than traditional computers. When a miner validates a transaction and creates a new block, they broadcast it to the network for verification. Other nodes in the network then validate the block, and if it's valid, it's added to the blockchain. Once a block is added to the blockchain, the miner who created the block is rewarded with newly created coins or transaction fees. What you need to know to get started. If you're interested in getting started with crypto mining, here are a few things you need to know. Hardware. To mine cryptocurrencies, you typically need a specialized computer called a mining rig, which is designed to perform the complex calculations required for cryptocurrency mining. The cost of the hardware required for mining can vary widely depending on the type of cryptocurrency you're mining, as well as the level of difficulty involved in mining it. One factor that affects the cost of mining hardware is the type of cryptocurrency being mined. Some cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, require specialized hardware called ASICs, application-specific integrated circuits, to mine efficiently. Software. You'll need to download mining software that's specific to the cryptocurrency you're mining. The software will allow you to connect to the blockchain network and start mining. Electricity. Mining is a resource-intensive process, and it requires a lot of electricity. You need to factor to the cost of electricity when calculating your mining profits. Mining pools. Joining a mining pool can increase your chances of earning rewards. Mining pools are groups of miners who work together to mine cryptocurrencies and share the rewards. Profitability. Before you start mining, you need to calculate your profitability. You need to factor in the cost of hardware, software, electricity, and mining pool fees to determine if it's worth the investment. Crypto mining is the process of validating transactions and creating new blocks in the blockchain network. It requires powerful hardware, specialized software, and a lot of electricity. If you're interested in getting started with crypto mining, you need to factor in the cost of hardware, software, electricity, and mining pool fees. Before you invest in mining, make sure to calculate your profitability to determine if it's worth the investment. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Crypto Shine YouTube channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.